Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Like I mentioned in my previous videos before, I'm going to start this kind of brand new series where I'm going to be documenting my growth and process in building a brand in this NFT community. But before we get into the details of everything, let's roll that intro. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be a brand new series where I'm going to start documenting my process, my journey, everything that goes through the planning, the building of building this NFT brand or community. Now, if there's one thing that I learned from being in the NFT space this past year is that projects with a good sense of community are the ones who are going to last in the long term. I've seen projects come and go in this short period of time, but the ones who stick around and the ones who we consider like blue chip brand NFTs, those are the ones that really have a strong community base around them. So the first step that I am taking in building this NFT brand around myself is, of course, creating a Discord channel. I think Discord and Twitter are by far the two top social platforms that a lot of people in the NFT space and in the crypto community use when wanting to get to know one another when it comes to specific projects, or if they have a group of people with the same ideas and everything. I feel like these are the two big areas to grow community in. So I went ahead and I created my very own Discord server. Everything's going to be linked down in the description below. So if you folks want to join my server, go ahead. You can hit the invite link down below. Come join us. I am going to be going over the server so far and what I have made. This is again episode 1, and this was the first step in creating this community and brand that I wanted to build. Now, before I jump onto the computer and show you the Discord server and some of the tools that I implemented, if you like this video or if you want to support me, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, also turn on the notification bell so you know when I am posting my videos here on YouTube. I don't really have a set schedule. I kind of just make videos when I have time and post them here as soon as I'm done editing them. But I appreciate all the support and I can't wait to meet some of you in the Discord server. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. Okay, so right now I have my Watase Discord server opened up. I created this last week. I've been adding some new tools and information into it. So if you're already part of the Discord, thank you for all the recommendations and the suggestions. If you folks are going to be joining, there is a suggestion area where you can put in things that you would like me to add into the Discord channel. Now, this is very new. I only been sending invites to a few people that I know in the crypto space, but I'm going to run through the Discord, what I was able to do, some of the tools and everything. And if you folks do want another video running down how I created certain things, let me know in the comments below and I can see if I can put together a quick video on those things. But really quick, just to keep the Discord safe, when you first enter, you're not going to see any of the channels here. You're just going to see the verify pop up and you have to react to the verification. This is just to make sure that we don't have bots coming in and spamming all of the server and everything. I know that it's probably not going to happen right now since this is a very small community, but I do want to take all the safety measures here in the beginning. That way I don't need to add all of these new features if the community ever gets to a point where it's too large. So once you go ahead and verify, you'll get access to all the channels here. I do have things like rules, information, and roadmap. As you can see, step 1 of my roadmap was just to build the Discord server and also create some bots to track some Twitter accounts when it comes to NFT news, and we'll get to that in a little bit. But I have the dashboard up here that has a bunch of announcements. So this is where I would post any new features that we added to the Discord, as well as any shout out. I have tweets and YouTube here, so as I post on Twitter and videos on YouTube, you will get notifications right here, so you can always keep up to date with my content. I have an official links page. As I expand and grow, if I go into other social platforms, these will be all my official links here that you can go ahead and click on. We have a welcome screen so you can see all the people that have been joining our Discord. We have a rank checker. This will show all the levels and the ranks of the people within the Discord server. Now, I'm not too sure if I'm going to implement levels when it comes to certain things. Of course, the next step after building this server is going to be creating a NFT project of my own. I don't know specifically what I'm going to be making yet. I don't know if I want to go down the profile picture route just yet. I do want to make sure that this is a long-term project and not just something with a quick turnaround around, you know, trying to make a quick buck or something off NFT projects. So as you come down here, you have the general community. We have our general chat. This is where I can chat with all of you folks. If you have questions, you have a questions channel and we can go ahead and answer those questions. Any suggestions you can go ahead and put into the suggestions list here. I always see scam alerts in other Discord channels, and I think it's a great thing to have to keep people aware of things that happen in the NFT community, especially if you are new. There are a lot of ways people can scam you out of your NFTs or your cryptocurrency. I also have a NFT specific section here. I do have a project watch list. This is where I will post projects that I am watching, and if you folks want to join in or join one of those projects, you can go ahead and do that through here. Now you probably know this, but I feel like I should repeat it anyways. When it comes to investing into any cryptocurrency or any NFT project, please do your own research. What I am sharing is not financial advice. This is just my opinions and projects that I am watching and investing into, and in no way should be something that you copy or follow exactly, because I win some, I lose some. They're not always going to make you money or profit in any way. The project shills section is where you can put your own project or other projects that you may be looking at, and if it's something that I find interesting, I will go ahead and move it up into the project watch list. We also added a success sales channel. This is where if you are flipping NFTs or if you have bought and sold NFTs and you made a profit or any type of success, this is where we want to celebrate those, and you can go ahead and post your successes in this channel and we can take a look, see what was good about it, what made you make those decisions, and it's a way we can grow together as a community. Now this here is one of the sections that I just worked on the other day. I think I'll find it very helpful and useful, especially if you follow a lot of people on Twitter, but I went ahead and added some people here that I feel post a lot of great content on Twitter. So I have people like Kosher Plug, Otto, Gary V. We also have NFT Well Alert on here, so we can see what projects are having a lot of volume within certain hours, big sales from certain projects, and these can be things that we watch in the NFT market to know if we should buy into a project, what projects are going to be maybe the next big thing. And then we also have Ryan Crypto here. They do post a lot of things on Twitter. They do make a lot of great calls. Again, they're not giving financial advice. Do not take everything thinking that it is going to be a win. Do your own research. This is just an easy and quick way to get the information. That way you don't need to scroll through Twitter and everything and get overwhelmed with all your other Twitter stuff. I went ahead and sorted out through certain Twitter people that I feel give out great information in the NFT space. And then at the very bottom, I do have some metaverse channels and play to earn with Axie Infinity. I am going to be adding a few more things into there, but I felt like those are some big topics and things that people may be interested in, so I added those channels down there so we can have a discussion and chat about those things. But there you have it. That is my new Discord channel, so if you folks want to join us, go ahead, link is in the description down below. Hop on in, check out some of the cool features. If you have features that you want me to add in, let me know in the suggestions or even let me know in the comments down below. This is just step one of my NFT building journey. The next step after this is going to be building the community larger. If you have friends or anyone who may be interested as well, invite them over to the channel. I would love to meet you folks. But that's all I got for this video, and until next time, see ya.